Ja Rastafari, the cheapest gas in Delaware, cheaper than friggin' BJ's. Always getting 93 for your tank, for your two-stroke. Let's see, 93. I'm gonna get some 93. Never use the cheap shit. Never use 87 or 89. 93 for your two-stroke. This is how much gallons we get. $18 of premium. Let's see up there. This is how much gas we get. I got a big tank too. You know what I mean? Philadelphia gas expensive. Jersey gas expensive. Lucky I work in Delaware. So I just get the gas here in Delaware. Alright, she's filling up, she's filling up. $6, I might have to get some change. Hold up. I might. Remember, premium. Hold up. Shit, I'm gonna have to get some change back, man. Oh shit. 5 gallons of gas. I think I have to get some change back, man. She full up. Oh, I think I put the whole 18, man. Oh. Well, I had some gas in there already. Oh, $18. Exact, man. 5 gallons. Irie, never get the cheapy gas. As you were.